Have you ever said something in English and then heard a native speaker say it in a completely different way? And you thought, wait, that's better. Why didn't I say that? Today we're going to fix that. You'll learn how to turn basic English sentences into natural, advanced ones, the kind real speakers use every day. Fun, simple, and super useful. Basic versus advanced English. English learners often speak correctly, but not naturally. And it's not your fault. Most textbooks teach the safe version of English. But real conversations, they're faster, smoother, and often use different expressions. So today, we'll compare simple sentences with the advanced versions you'll hear in movies, meetings, and real life. These upgrades will make you sound more fluent, more confident, and honestly, cooler. I am tired, I'm beat. I'm beat means the same thing, but sounds way more natural. After work, I'm beat. I just want my bed. Don't say I'm beaten. That means something very different and dramatic. I don't know beats me. Someone asks you a weird question. Say beats me. Why is your cat wearing sunglasses? Beats me. Fun and informal. I'm very busy, I'm swamped. Swamped gives the feeling you're drowning in work. I can't talk right now, I'm swamped. Much stronger than just busy. I'm late, I'm running behind. Perfect for casual situations. Sorry, I'm running a bit behind. Be there in 10. It sounds more polite and natural. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. Sweet and simple. How was the test? Piece of cake. Sounds fluent. I understand, I get it, / I feel you. Two great options. I get it equals I understand. I feel you equals I emotionally understand. That job is so stressful. Yeah, I feel you. Can you help me? Can you give me a hand? Polite and friendly. Can you give me a hand with this box? Sounds more natural than, help me. I don't believe it. No way. / you're kidding. Show surprise like a native. I just won the lottery. No way. I'm scared, I'm freaking out. More intense. I'm freaking out before my big interview. Useful for emotions. Good luck, fingers crossed. Wish someone luck like a local. You have a test today? Fingers crossed. It's not difficult. It's not rocket science. Funny way to say it's simple. Come on, just press the button. It's not rocket science. I don't like it. It's not my cup of tea. Very British. Very polite. Do you like horror movies? I'm hungry. I could eat a horse. Super hungry. Say this for fun. I skipped lunch. I could eat a horse. Just don't say it literally at a restaurant. It's very expensive. It costs an arm and a leg. This means way too expensive. That phone. It costs an arm and a leg. Let's start. Let's get the ball rolling. Perfect for meetings or group projects. All right, team. Let's get the ball rolling. Sounds confident and natural. I'm not sure. I'm on the fence. This means you haven't decided yet. Are you going to the party? I'm on the fence. Still thinking about it. Let's see what you learned. Which one sounds more advanced? I'm very tired. A. I'm tired. B. I'm sleepy. C. I'm beat. Comment your answer below, and bonus points if you make a full sentence using it. Go on. Show me your new skills. So today, you upgraded your English in 12 quick sentences. Small changes, big difference. Want more videos like this? Check out this one right here. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You're one step closer to speaking like a native. See you in the next one.